So today I'm going to make Dalgona coffee.
So first of all, prepare a milk. I suggest you to choose the full cream so that it tastes a bit sweet. Coffee powder, Oreo for the topping, sugar, bowl and whisk, ice cube, hot water, then put in 2 tablespoons of coffee powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water. Stir it until thick, about 5 minutes. Crush the Oreo, fill the milk, add the prepared mixture, spread evenly. Put the topping on top. And garnish it with the Oreo.
So this is it. Dalgona coffee by Muhammad Nabi Pratama 199631.